In today's video, we will understand how to request a new level 1 user or create a new level 2 user. You can appoint as many as level 1 user as you like based on the structure of your business. But at least one level 1 user must be settled worker. Authorizing officer is solely responsible for all the SMS system. You can add multiple level 1 users and you can also add multiple level 2 users. If you have no active level 1 user registered to your account, you must complete a sponsor change circumstances form, which is available on gov.uk website. When you will come on that system, you will have sponsor management screen. On that screen, you will need to select license, summary, application and services, which will look exactly like this. You will have all these options where you can view your license, you can request your license, you can change your license, you can add fees, you can pay fees, and you can add and view sponsor, and you can add premium customers. So you can do everything on that screen. On that screen, you will click manage level 1 user and level 2 user. After that, you will add level 1 user. To create level 2 user and create level 1 user, you will have the option over here. So for example, you want to create level 2 user, you will click this. And if you want to request level 1 user, you will click on this. Make sure what requested means. So for example, if it says requested, that means the request to add level 1 user has already been submitted or under consideration. If it says active, that means the user is active. If it says refuse, the request to add level 1 user has been refused. Deactivated by sponsor, the user has been deactivated by a level 1 user. Or if it says deactivated by UKVI, that means we have deactivated the user. That means the Home Office has deactivated the user already. Now let's discuss how to request a new level 1 user. To request a new level 1 user, you need to create this form on this page where you will enter all the details. You need to mention the title of that person. You need to mention immigration status, Home Office reference number, expiry date, leave to remain, and their passport details. The email address must be belongs to an individual, not shared mailbox. So for example, if you want to use the company mailbox, you can't do that, as the new password will be sent to that email address. The address required is the work address, not the person home address. Many people do that mistake. They mention the home address. It has to be the work address. After that, you will end up on the screen where it will say request for new level 1 user submitted. You will enter all the details over here. You can see the details, and if you need to edit the details, you can go back and edit the details. Once you click OK, you will come to this page where it will show up. For example, how many level 1 users you have, their name, their family name, and the details about it. If the status says requested, that means the application is already submitted. If status is active, the request has been granted, and the password will be sent by email to the new user. If the status says is refused, we will write to the authorizing officer to advise them why the refuse has been. So normally you won't get the email if you are a level 1 user as well. The authorizing officer will get that.